मोरी
सऊदी लड़की और पाकिस्तान अकेली आएगी, तो ये मेरे लिए बहुत बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है. दादू नानी Saudi, all of them are Saudi, and I was the first Saudi girl that traveled to Pakistan. I have my business manager Ramiz came to the office and said, you have to come to Pakistan. I said, nay, Babre, and then Pakistani people, they will kill me. Yeah, he told me, no, Raghda, you have to see Kaghan, Naran, Sakardu, Saif al-Muluk, Asu Lake, Gilgit, Pakistan, Kashmir, Azad Kashmir, and all the other places. Karachi, wow, kya baat hai. And then I said, what is it? And he said, Dick. He opened the videos, and I was like, is this real or is it edited? He said, nay, it's real. And I said, Acha theek hai, I want to go. As soon as my feet touched Pakistan, mera dil se, uff, khalas, I loved it so much. And I was like, wow, people have houses. You know, in the news, they don't show you that. I was like, wow, people, they have gar, there is gar. So I went to Lahore, I went to Islamabad, I went to Faisalabad, I went to Hafzabad, I went to Muri, Azad Kashmir. Motorbikes, and I was like, wow, this is amazing. You know, one motorbike had 10 people, 10 pair. After that I said, many motorbike sikaungi. And they said, no, it's dangerous. I said, I want to learn. Or diri said, I learned normal. After that I saw the donkey, and I was like, wow, I want to ride the donkey. And from that day I said, I want to have a license of motorbike, a license of riding a donkey as well. Tube well, the water was so fresh, mashallah, it was amazing, you know. If I was alone, I would have swum in the tube well, believe me. You know, they had this beef, the shredded beef, and then you have this naan, and you dip it on, and you eat it, and it's for breakfast. For God's sake, who eats beef for breakfast? Isliye Pakistani people bahut strong. I travel to see the goodness in each culture, The people, they have soft dil soft hai. To be honest, I want to live in Karachi. Mujhe bungalow chahiye, samandar ke samne. Pakistani ladki is बहुत अच्छी लड़कियां मैंने देखा. They're very good, they're very nice, they're very 10 more, triple, multiply ladka is doing. Or she cook food and she take care of her husband, take care of herself, she's pretty, and she take care of her husband when she come back. MashaAllah, my role model are Pakistani ladki. MashaAllah, they're very good.